This video is a guide to help make it easier to use your Easy Elite. Please be sure to read the complete instruction manual, which includes important warnings and other information. Before using your Easy Elite as a belt positioning booster, you will first need to remove the harness system. First, loosen the harness by pressing down on the metal adjuster under the pad on the front of the seat and pulling on the harness straps. From the back, remove the harness strap loops from the splitter plate. Now, pull the harness straps out of the shoulder harness slots. Unthread the harness strap from the chest clip and buckle. Then, pull the harness strap out of the seat. To remove the buckle, turn the seat over and slide the metal retainer up through the seat. Store the harness strap, chest clip, and buckle in a safe place for future use. Now the Easy Elite is ready as a booster. Before installing the Easy Elite in your car, read your vehicle owner's manual. This contains important warnings and information to make sure the seat is properly installed. Place the booster seat in the back seat of your vehicle, flush against the seat, and have your child sit in the seat. Adjust the headrest so the tops of your child's ears are at the midpoint of the headrest. They should never be above the top of the headrest. Pull the vehicle belt across the child's body and buckle it. The lap belt should lay snugly across your child's upper thighs and not their stomach. Lace the shoulder belt through the belt positioning guide located on the underside of the headrest if necessary. The shoulder belt should lay snugly across the center of your child's shoulders and across the chest, not on the face, neck, or upper arm. It is important for your child's safety that they sit correctly in the Easy Elite while in booster mode. They should avoid slouching and never put the shoulder belt behind their back.